first year move-in day. We'll see how it goes. Oh no!
Woo! Saturday!
Hey.
Move-in day for the first years and new students. We're working the table. Well, I'm working the table. She's hanging out. So when we get water and tools and tool checkout and all that fun stuff. Okay, there's people coming. Bye! Vlog! I got talked into this! Vlog! That's Stephanie. Say hi!
First years.
First year!
That's so hard.
Oh yeah, that's HP. You haven't met her
I'm
yet.
HP.
Hey, what day is it?
Sunday? I think. Yeah, Sunday.
That sounds right. Good time! It's Monday!
Of week 3. Classes start this week, so
We're picking up Gabby from the airport right now.
yeah.
So we're waiting for her text so we can leave the airport. Gabby!
We got Gabby!
Yay!
Hi, Lilly. Let me push the button. Your knee.
What you doing, Katie?
Stealing a fridge.
It's my
Assault
fridge.
and battery right here. Grand larceny.
So it's Tuesday, and I woke up this morning, and it's 60 degrees. I was freezing, because all I have on my bed is like a thin sheet and a blanket. It's August. August. A sheet and a blanket. I was dying. Woo! Okay, we're on our way to opening convocation and first step.
It's really cool.
It's lots of fun. First step is when seniors get to take their first step on front quad, because only seniors are allowed on front quad.
And if you walk on it, you don't graduate.
Oh, it's scary. It really is. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, I don't know the words, something to thee.
There is something wrong here. The Pepsi machine is gone. No more 85-cent cans. Fajita fail! I'm waiting for the first Tinker Scare of the year. So the scares are a Holland's tradition. The seniors are gonna come through the building soon with pots and pans, screaming, trying to act like it's Tinker Day. It's Wednesday.
It's the first day of classes. Well, it was the first.
Okay. We had class. Oh, it was okay.
It was fun. I have a quiz on Friday.
Yeah, Lily's
I have 2 quizzes.
Lily's had an eventful day.
Yeah.
She's taking the
I'm-
hardest class that our school offers because
Unofficially, the hardest class. That's what the teacher says it is. So
I believe it.
we'll find out later. I'm taking Greek. Party. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. And then it's.
Think of the alphabet. Jeez Louise.
I can do it. I promise. There's one between rho and sigma, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Then sigma, tau, phi.
No, your favorite one. What's your favorite?
Epsilon. Phi, chi, psi, and omega.
Yeah.
said green.
On the other hand, all my classes were easy today. So, also it looks like I have a fever, but I promise I don't. It's just that this building is hot.
Oh my god. She's dying. You need a water?
Yeah. Okay.
What's in your jacket, Angelica?
Look at the bumpers.
Really? Really?
This is Sarah.
I like it. I don't think it's that bad of a buy.
Yeah, for you.
Well, yeah, because I'm tall.
Buy the soundtrack just for Tom. I'm not ashamed.
What you got there, Lily?
Ravenclaw socks.
And a pair of...
I like
No.
them.
No.
I'm not gonna buy them, I just like them.
This is why we can't bring her to Target.
True.
Actually, she brought us.
Thoughts, Angelica?
They're cute, but
They're too much money.
What's it say, Gabby?
Ah, difficult, very difficult. Plenty of courage, I see. Not a bad mind either. I don't know there's talent. Oh, yes. And a thirst to prove yourself. But where to put you?
Not Slytherin, not Slytherin.
Not Slytherin, eh? Are you sure? You could be great, you know. It's all here in your head. And Slytherin will help you on the way to greatness. There's no doubt about that, no? Well, if you're sure, better be Gryffindor.
Gotta get back to Hogwarts. I gotta get back to school. I gotta get myself to Hogwarts, where everyone's back to witches and wizards and magical beasts, to goblins and ghosts and to magical feasts. It's all that I love and it's all that I need at Hogwarts. Hogwarts, I think I'm going back.